Namaskar, Arpita Roy from Arpita's Weaver Gallery. Today I am in front of you with my 28th episode. Today I will show you all my Chanderi and Maheshwari sarees, and all these sarees are printed sarees. Some are in batik, some are in Sanganari prints, some are Ajrak prints. So these all prints I will show you, and me myself also is also wearing a Chanderi Chunapatri print. This is only a black and white combination we will get. So I am wearing one, and I will show you another one also. So friends, please like my channel, share it, subscribe it, share it to your friends, family members, and your well wishers. Will do a big help. So let me start with my 20th episode. So I am starting with, this is sari number 1. Okay, this is a batik sari, and these batiks are not from West Bengal. These are all from Rajasthan batik. These are all Rajasthani batik. Okay, this is sari number 1. Yeah, this is a Chanderi batik sari from Rajasthan. This is the palla part, and this is the whole sari. Khub shundur, wonderful piece. Dekhun, I will drape in myself. Tassar blouse shateo it looks very good. You can wear this sari with a tassar blouse piece. I think it will look good. Okay, this is the palla part, this is the whole sari. This is sari number 1, and the price is 2600. This is sari number 2, the same sari I am wearing. The sari which I am wearing, it's mine, and this is friend who will like will get one piece. This is sari number 2. This is Chunapatri print in Chanderi sari. Okay, this is the palla part, and this is the whole sari. This is the blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest half. The price is 1950. 1950. Okay, this is a Chanderi Chunapatri sari. Now moving to sari number 2. This is sari number 3. This is also a Chanderi batik. Very comfortable fabric, with a very nice skirt border in the lower part, with horizontally designed in the lower part. It's a skirt border sari, and the rest half you can see with a lovely floral motif. It's very nice, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. The color is orange in color. Okay, this was priced 2600. This is also a Chanderi sari. This was sari number 4. The price is 2200. This is the palla part. I always say black and white is a very gorgeous combination. You can style in various way. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and this is the rest half. This was sari number 4, and the price was 2200. Sari number 5. This is a tie and dye Bagru print in Chanderi saris. These are all from Rajasthan, not from West Bengal. This is pure Chanderi saris. This is the blouse palla part, and this is the whole sari. This is sari number 5, and the price is 2400. This is the blouse piece of the sari. It's a daily wear sari. You can teachers can go to school, office goers. It's a very good, nice fabric. Gives a rich look, comfort, everything. Very nice. This is a shibori, Chanderi in shibori. This is hand shibori. This is the palla part. Firoza and white combination. Very nice piece. This is sari number 6. Price is 2600 with running blouse piece. This is the running blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest half. Friends outside of Kolkata, if you feel any problem regarding the fabric or anything else, please call me. Don't hesitate. Now I am moving to sari number 7. This is a Sanganari prints. The price is 2300. These are all hand prints. Okay, this is not, there is no machine work. These are all hand work saris. And all are from Rajasthan. This is the palla part. This is the rest half. This is Sanganari prints. Look, these are not defects. As because this is a hand work saris, though some colors are disturbs the saris. Okay, so this is not a defect. The friends, those who know, they know that this is a hand print sari. So some mistakes have come out. So that is not a big mistake. It proves that it is a hand printed sari. This was sari number 7 and the price is 2300. This is sari number 8. This is also priced 2600. This is also shibori sari from Rajasthan in Chanderi. Purple color. Wonderful piece. This is the palla part. And this is the whole sari. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is running. Okay. The price is 2600. Now I am moving to sari number 9. I try to show you similar fabrics in every episode. There you can get options to choose. That's the reason. I want to show the same fabric in a single episode. Okay. Look, this is also Rajasthani print. Wonderful piece, wonderful one. Sari number 9. This is the palla part. Black and green in the palla, and this is the beige chiku in color with green and black and mustard yellow combination. Wonderful piece, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 9 and the price is 2300. This is another batik. This is sari number 10. Batik is done in a geometrical pattern. This is the palla part. And this is the whole body, geometrically designed, very nice one. This is the blouse piece. This is peach and orange combination, wonderful. Melted chocolate also is there. This is this color, I say melted chocolate color. This is peachish orange. This is very nice one. Okay, this was sari number 10 and the price was 2600. Sari number 11. This is also Chanderi. This is the palla part. This is also batik, and the border is gicha border. You can see the Chanderi sari with a gicha border. Okay, this is sari number 11 and the price is 2950. This is the blouse piece of the sari. And this is the rest half. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 12. This is a Maheshwari sari. This is called dyed kashish. This is a kashish print, but later on it has been dyed in pink combination. This is a dyed kashish in Maheshwari saris with a gicha border in the upper and lower border. Look, this is a gicha border. The price is 3,700. This is the palla part. Okay, and this is the whole sari. This is dyed kashish. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, the price is 3,700. These saris are very comfort, gives a very comfort in our country, because we are in a country in a tropical region, so we are always in a our temperature is very always high. We are not in a comfortable temperature. We don't live in a comfortable temperature. So these saris give us very much comfort. I call these air conditioned saris. These are so nice. If you wear this sari, you will feel a very comfort. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. Wonderful piece. This is also priced 3,700. This is sari number 14, a powdered blue combination. This is also a dyed kashish. This sari is also Maheshwari saris with a gicha border on the upper and the lower part. Friends from South India will like this sari very much, because these saris are mainly woven in western part of India, middle part of India, and which is printed in western part. So they are also very fond of these saris, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, very comfort, very comfort. This is sari number 15. Similar sari, just in different color and different. This is sari number 15. This is the palla part. You can wear this sari with a tussar blouse. Look, not that you have to always wear the sari with its blouse piece. You wear this sari with this type of tussar blouse. It gives a different look. It's my view. I'm just sharing to you, my friends. This is the sari. I think it's looking good in tussar blouse. Okay. This is sari number 16. This is also the same. This is very sweet pink. This is the palla part, and this is the rest part. This is a kashish dye. This is also kashish dye, the same fabric with a gicha border on both sides, and this is the blouse piece. This sari also I want to drape on myself. I just want to make you understand, when you wear this sari with a tussar blouse, it gives a different look. It is not possible to drape all the saris. Look, very nice one. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 17. This is an indigo print. Sari number 17, and it is priced 3,750 with a very small border. This is also Maheshwari sari. This is the palla part, This is the whole sari, and this is the rest half of. This is the blouse piece. Let me show you the blouse piece. Let me drape this sari also. কলকাতার আশেপাশে বন্ধুরা, প্লিজ visit my shop. One and only request, please visit my shop. And friends outside of Kolkata, if you like my sarees, please let me know. Wonderful piece. This is saree number 17 and the price was 3750. Now I am moving to saree number 18. This time I am having only one piece of ajrak, but this is a very nice piece. I think there will be a big inquiry regarding this saree, but I will be able to give only one of my friend. This is the palla part. This is the ajrak one in Maheshwari sarees, and the upper and lower border, this is woven border with zari border woven. 1.5 inches zari border on the upper and lower part, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. Okay, this is priced 5400. This one saree also I want to drape. It's a very nice yellow color. This is, I can't make the mehndi green type color. Look, this is the palla part and this is the outside. Okay, this was saree number 18 and the price was 5400. This is also a Maheshwari saree with a golden zari border with bandhej. 3 types of work has been done in this saree: bandhej and ajrak, the middle part has been, this is the bandhej one. Friends, you know what is bandhej. I am not telling you anything regarding the bandhej, and this is the ajrak part of the saree. Okay, ajrak, and the blouse piece is bagru with kalamkari design. Okay, this was saree number 19 and the price was 4700. Now I am moving to saree number 20. Saree number 20 is priced. This is priced 2950. This one is a chanderi one. With bandhej throughout the saree. This is the palla part with indigo blue palla. This is the blouse piece of the saree, and the whole saree, this bandhej has been done, and the price is 2600. Sorry, I was wrong. 2600. This is the whole saree. Okay, this was saree number 20 and it was priced 2600. Now I am moving to saree number 21. This is also a chanderi saree. This one is my last piece. The price is 1800. Sorry, this is the this is the palla part, a mauve and white combination. This is the palla part. Okay, and this is the rest part of the saree. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest half. The price is 1800 only. Okay, friends, today I have finished my episode number 28. Today I have shown you 21 pieces of Maheshwari and Chanderi printed sarees. I think you have liked the sarees. Those who have liked my sarees, please send me screenshot, and you have to transfer your money through online process, GPay, PhonePe, whatever method you are comfortable. So that's not the problem. After receiving the money, I'll courier your sarees. And friends, near about within Kolkata, there is a COD facility also. So there is no problem, and I will tell my friends, please visit my shop. And friends outside for Kolkata, if there is any inquiry regarding fabric, regarding anything else, regarding price also, please let me know. I can clarify you what's the reason, what is the fabric and everything, whatever query you want from me. So thank you for today. Wait for my next episode, episode number 29.